2022, 4 na taon pa lang yung nakalipas. No, I'm not yet done. I'm not yet done.
Kindly
And-
let the council finish.
This is a probing question. And you are telling this public, ma'am, hindi nyo na maalala yung amount na binigay sa OVP na nangyari lang 4 na taon pa lang.
Objection, Your Honor.
That's a
Ask and
question.
answered and argumentative, Your Honor.
He's trying to impeach, I believe, the witness
Yes.
with respect to the earlier answer that she gave, which she can do, counsel, given that she has been declared by the court as a hostile witness. Witness may answer. Objection overruled.
Hindi nyo maalala, ma'am, 2022?
Ano po yun, sir? Yung I'm confused.
Confused.
Nalibog ko, I'm confused kung ang pangutanan ni mo sa Davao ba
Davao
o ang
City.
pagka-vice-presidente
Davao
ni Ma'am
City po.
Sara.
Before po kayo na-transfer from Davao City to the OVP in 2022, yung budget for 2022, confidential funds, is 460 million pesos. You don't also remember that?
Dili ko kaya nomdom, sir.
You don't remember that. All in all, from 2019, 2022, a simple math will tell us 1,840,000 pesos. Almost 2 billion confidential funds sa Davao City binigay. Hindi nyo rin maalala yung total na yan.